Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and you must be wondering what is this mess that I want to share with you and why do I want you to see this mess. Well, I am here in my miniature kitchen, the one that I am working on, in the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at the community yard sale for $30. Many of you already know about this house. So here I am working on the kitchen, and I had posted a video asking for your opinion on what colors should I use in this kitchen. So I was in between the gray and white and the blue and white. They are both beautiful options. This here is a tile from the Dollar Tree, and this here, the gray and white, is a placemat, a vinyl placemat from the Dollar Tree. Now I happen to have these little white pieces of wood with borders. Look at this. They look like crown molding, you know, so I'm going to be using them in this house. So I have a whole bunch here. I also have a few that are plastic, and they are magnets. And these can help me make some type of cabinet or something that looks like a cabinet. These help me decorate the walls, and it'll look very professional because look at what they look like. Look at how they look. Perfect. And I've already measured around the kitchen what I'm going to do. You see, like that one there? See how perfect it fits up there? And I already have an idea of how to cover the extra areas. On the ceiling there, I've already placed a tile, one of those adhesive tiles from the Dollar Tree. Now, in the video in which I asked for your opinion on the colors, some people on YouTube and out of YouTube gave me different feedback. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you both colors in different videos. But what I'm trying to say is I'm going to do a gray and white kitchen, but I'm going to make it so that I can switch it out for the blue and white at another time later on. First is one color, one project, but once I finish with that project and you see the entire beautiful kitchen, at some point later on I will switch it out for the white and blue, so we will be able to see both kitchens. So here I am going to start with the white and gray. I'm going to make use of these beautiful pieces here. Now these I got, where did I get, you know, I totally forgot where I got these from. I don't remember. I have some things that I've gotten like over the years. I just don't remember where I got these. And the little strips, the same. I don't remember where I got them. Must have probably bought them in a yard sale, and I held on to them, and here they are, perfect for this kitchen. There is going to be a cabinet up there, a cabinet just like that one. So stay tuned for the gray and white kitchen, and remember, once I finish with all the videos on this kitchen, later on in the future I will start changing it up for the white and blue using the cards that I told you about in another video, and using the polka chips, the blue and white polka chips. So that's going to be the blue and white kitchen in the future. For now, we are going to have a white and gray kitchen. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.